So guys, Bitcoin is about to break 100,000. Retail is starting to wake up. Right now, altcoins are on the verge of getting the liquidity that they need based off of what we've seen for previous cycles. And right now, a ton of people are making a lot of money on Solana meme coins, which I have been trading. And overall, I want to give you guys my perspective on pretty much how you could be making money right now during this whole 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle. There's two different ways, and overall, I want to jump into it. If you're new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the markets with specific indicators around Bitcoin and altcoins, as well as overall just what I'm doing to make, those gains and capitalize on the markets and the sentiment taking place on crypto Twitter, and where everyone is shifting their liquidity and making all that money. But guys, let's go to jump into it. So like how I said, Bitcoin's currently trading at around 98,000, on the verge of breaking 100,000. Futures are already showing that we're on the verge of breaking 100,000, which is really crazy. Everyone's waiting for ETH to do something, but ETH is just kind of playing around in this zone, testing our weekly open on Monday last week. So overall, we're just waiting to see exactly what's going on. I saw a great post talking about exactly what Bitcoin was doing and then what ETH did following in our previous cycle. Eric.E talks about it. He says, reminder that ETH at 800 was at 800 for multiple weeks last cycle, while Bitcoin flew past 20K all-time high and beyond. Then it did a teleport 6x to 4,500. He says it's mod coded, and people even like Alex Becker are saying this is literally exactly what's about to happen. So currently right now we can see ETH is lagging behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just, outperforming by a long shot, and it's on the verge of breaking that 100,000. It's just because retail and everybody else is shifting the liquidity into Bitcoin because dominance is starting to shoot up very crazy. And like how I said, everyone's pretty much thinking we're already going to be breaking 100,000. But guys, in terms of how you can be making money right now, I've been talking about low cap AI gems because a lot of them were taking a huge hit because a few days prior, meme coins were getting a lot of traction. Not even a few days, a few weeks, and they were stealing a lot of the liquidity from these low cap AI gems. And if you would have jumped into them, guys, now if you just look at the screenshot to the side, overall they're up around 40, 20, 40, even 60%, some of them up 80 to 100%. So you can be making those gains, but you guys got to be focusing on the right things when people aren't focusing on them. Right now, if we look at the markets with altcoins, currently altcoins are about to explode. We can see that people like Mustache are talking about Bitcoin dominance is in a deviation zone, are getting ready to, and it's gonna unsettle everyone once it starts to break down, just because alt season is gonna pretty much follow shortly after. He's just talking about, imagine that. Everyone's talking about how altcoin season is about to go parabolic based off of previous cycles, trend lines, price action, and multiple other variables. And this is where you got to be really keeping up with what's going on right now. People are also making a ton of money with Solana meme coins with this new TikTok meta that's going on, which I have been taking advantage of and showing you guys. I talked about it on yesterday's video, so if you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. But overall, right now, Ilo made a great post talking about if you're trying to make money in the crypto space, there's only one of two things that you're going to be doing. And more than likely, if you fall into one of these categories and you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose out on a lot of money. So he goes on to say, you have two choices if you want to make it in crypto. Believe in something, which means you got to hold good projects for long periods of time and ignore the noise, which that's what we've been doing on this YouTube channel, investing in low cap AI gems, because once all the noise settles down and everyone realizes what the utility can bring, it's going to go freaking parabolic. So we're already doing that. Or believe in nothing, profit maxi, trade everything. So you have no commitment towards any project. You're just trying to get that profit and you're squeezing out every last dime that you can. He goes on to say, in terms of going from zero to a substantial amount of capital, almost everyone I know achieved it with the first choice, which is believe in something and hold good projects for the long periods of time and ignore the noise. Which, guys, that's what I've been preaching on this YouTube channel. Beginner investors like us can't expect to just make those crazy gains all the time. You have to be willing to believe in something, follow a project that is undervalued when everyone else is not valuing it. And the moment that market and sentiment all starts to drive towards these specific utility coins that actually are producing something, they're going to explode. And like Ilo says, in terms of going from zero to substantially a crazy amount of capital, almost everyone he knows achieved it from the first choice by just holding and believing in a coin and holding for long periods of time. It goes on to say it takes an immense amount of skill to be an exceptional trader that outperforms holders who are able to select good assets. As a result, in general, holders outperform traders. Many people LARP as traders, but they really should be holders and instead end up spending years in crypto only to come away with mental illnesses. It's much cooler to be a nihilist and cynical, but actually believing in something. Being an optimist is the EV route to go down the 99% of people. So overall, guys, you know, this is the perspective you need to be having. I'm trading Solana meme coins. If we jump onto Dex tools right here, which you can jump on Dex Screen or Dex tools, see exactly the coins that you want to jump into. I jumped into Chill Guy a few days ago. It popped up crazy. Right now it's having a crazy deviation based off of what's going on with Bitcoin and a few AI gems, as you can see over here to the side. If we look at my portfolio, which my portfolio is mainly revolved around these AI gems, and this isn't a direct reflection of my portfolio, guys. These inputs are kind of a little wrong, but like I said, Conduct is pumping up significantly. Destra, Hash, Palm, all of them are pumping up very, very crazy. But overall, we've been seeing, you know, a shift of that liquidity out of these meme coins, but people are also making a ton of money with Solana meme coins right now. Millionaires are being made. I've been talking about it, like how I said in yesterday's video. You should really check that out. But me right now, I'm even trading Solana meme coins. As you can see, the wallet is currently down, sitting at $870, but currently total invested in this Solana wallet is around $400. So I'm still currently up, and that's that Chill Guy is really down. By the time this goes back to its all-time high, we're gonna be sitting at around a G. Solana, Bari, a few others that I'm playing, but right now I'm kind of just getting my fill with the Solana meme coins, just because I've never done it. I'm already making some crazy gains, but this is where you got to really keep in mind, guys, that perspective of ILO. At the end of the day, you really need to understand how you want to be making money. I think you need to have a long-term portfolio, which is what I have, investing in low-cap AI gems, gaming coins, as well as meme coins. And I have that portfolio sitting, and I'm still stacking on it so that the moment liquidity starts to shift from Bitcoin into altcoins, I can start to see a crazy exponential with my whole overall portfolio. But I'm still going to take advantage of the trends that are taking off, which right now, Solana meme coins are going really crazy. They've been going crazy throughout the whole year, but right now there's a TikTok meta that's currently taking place where a specific meta goes out and then everyone apes the coin. A lot of X's are made in a short period of time, and it is crazy gradual. I caught Chill Guy before it did a crazy X potential. I made almost a 4X on that one. The other coin that you guys saw in my portfolio that I have been making plays around is called Bari. There's a huge lore around this coin. Also, like I said, just go watch yesterday's video. I talk all about it. But you see this huge rip that happened? I caught it right before the huge rip. Me and my brother made some crazy profits on it, and we just been trading the coin ever since it's been crashing down. Right now the lore is still kind of going a little weird, but right now, as you can see, it's kind of dead. But we did have this point yesterday between that literally I would say like 10 p.m. to around 4 a.m. And then we started having trading go gradual again. So right now, guys, is really a time to determine, you know, how to learn these coins, learn a little bit about TA, and then from there try to do a little bit of trading. But this is not financial advice. I'm just talking about exactly how people are making money in the markets right now and how you guys can capitalize on exactly what's going on. Overall, though, I want to jump into exactly the main point of this YouTube video, like how I said, and that's making money while everything is going on. Right now, we're seeing Bitcoin jump up super crazy, currently sitting at 98,000. Futures are already showing that, you know, we're probably going to be hitting 100,000 very, very soon. Right now, ETH is lagging behind, which is a really strong indicator for our altcoins, which is why altcoins are, you know, taking a huge hit right now. But, you know, Eric.E talks about how, a reminder, in the last cycle, ETH sat at $800 for multiple weeks before, you know, it teleported to around that 4,500 mark while Bitcoin was blowing past its all-time highs. And that's currently what's going on. Even Alex Becker says this is literally exactly exactly what is about to happen. Overall though, altcoins are on the shift of getting the liquidity that they need. We need Bitcoin dominance to start to break down, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated with all those indicators once we, you know, see some specific things change. Right now we haven't seen a few things change, so I'm just waiting for that dominance to start to break down and ETH start to get the traction that it needs to. ILO gives the great perspective of the whole reason of this video, is how do you make money in the crypto markets. And right now guys, it's one of two ways. You got to believe in something. You got to believe in some type of meta, some type of crypto, and actually go all into it. Right now, it's AI and meme coins that are popping off significantly in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle. So I really recommend that you jump into one of those sectors, do some research on it. I'd have videos on this YouTube channel talking about it, especially for beginners like you. But overall, or, you know, intermediate traders as well, because these are good buys regardless. But also, you can also believe in nothing and be a profit maxi, and trade those Solana meme coins, trade those trends with certain other coins, and just see exactly how you can capitalize on those events. But you know me guys, I have that long-term portfolio. I am also trading Solana meme coins, and multiple people are honestly doing multiple things. And I think if you're a beginner, of course, you should take the time to learn one specific avenue before trying to trade all different types. But guys, right now you could really start to capitalize on specific AI gems that are really low. All of them are pumping up significantly right now, but at the end of the day, if you look at their March highs, a lot of them are still down very significantly. So guys, right now, this is where I recommend you to start doing your research. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on specific indicators around Bitcoin and altcoins that you need to know, just so we know exactly when our altcoins and our portfolios are gonna start to rip up, because I still have a long-term portfolio revolved around meme coins and AI coins and a little bit of gaming. But right now I'm also trading those Solana meme coins because I want to be making gains all the time. And as a trader in the crypto markets, I also want to show you guys how it's possible for a beginner. But overall guys, that's currently what's taking place in the markets. Bitcoin is on the verge of breaking 100,000. Retail is starting to wake up. We're waiting for ETH to make a move. That's really going to let us know when altcoins are going to start to make a move, when that dominance for Bitcoin starts to break down. You need to have the right perspective in trying to make money in the markets. You need to have a long-term portfolio in my perspective. And on top of that, you should also, you know, look at those Solana meme coins. This is not financial advice, because you can lose your money so damn quickly. It's not even a joke, but you can also make a good amount of money if you know what you're doing. But overall guys, if you're new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the market, specific indicators around Bitcoin and altcoins. We didn't really cover that in today's video, more around how to be profitable right now. I'm seeing a lot of different people have different perspectives. People are missing out just because, you know, they're not really keeping up with what they need to keep up with. And I recommend you go watch, you know, all of last week's videos that literally talk about what was going to be happening for these AI gems, literally whenever everything was taking a huge hit. And if you would have took advantage of that, you would be sitting in a good position right now. But guys, I hope you're making those gains. I hope you're capitalizing on these events. If you're new to my channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my content and my perspective. We're really close on getting monetized. Not really close. We're halfway there. But overall, I'm going to keep dropping daily content to keep everyone updated on the markets. Also show my journey so you guys can see if I'm winning or I'm losing. And overall, just entertain everyone and keep everyone on the edge of their seat for the crypto markets. But guys, hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. I drop daily content every day, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.